Okay, Yetu, so here are our animals. At the top, we've got the baby animals, and at the bottom, we've got the adult animals. So we're going to do this one together. Let's start with the baby pig at the top. Can you see it? There we go, it's circled in orange. Now, what is a baby pig called? Does anybody know? Yes, it's called a piglet. Okay, now can you spot the matching adult animal? Well, yes, it's slightly bigger, isn't it? But it is the pig. Okay, so a piglet is the offspring of a pig. It is a baby pig. Okay, now let's try the baby cow. Can you see the baby cow? Now, what is a baby cow called? Does anybody know? Yes, fantastic. A baby cow is called a calf. So look, I've circled the calf. Now this one is quite an easy one, isn't it? Because they haven't really changed, just got bigger. Can you spot the adult version of the calf? Yes, fantastic. It's the cow at the bottom. There we go. So we've matched 2 up now. Let's now try the baby owl. There's our baby owl circled in green. Can anybody guess what a baby owl is called? Or does anybody know what a baby owl is called? Yes, a baby owl is called an owlet. Okay, now can you spot the adult version of the owlet? Now it's changed colour and it's got slightly bigger, but it doesn't look that different. Yes, fantastic. It is our owl down there. So an owlet is the offspring of an owl. It's a baby owl. Okay, next, let's try the chick. So let me circle the chick. Now, what does a chick turn into? It is a baby what? Yes, it's a baby chicken. Now, it does look slightly different, doesn't it? But a chick is the offspring of a chicken. It is a baby chicken. And then lastly, we've got our tadpole here. Now, we did this a little earlier. Can you remember what a tadpole grows into? Yes, it grows into a frog. Okay, so these two look completely different, don't they? But a tadpole is the offspring of a frog. So well done if you were able to spot those along with me. Now it's your turn, okay? So you have some more animals here. You've got 5 baby animals and 5 adult animals. Now I'd like to pause the video and have a think. Which of these animals match up? Okay, so let's go through it together. Well, let's start with our puppy. Here we go. Can you see our puppy Alsatian? Now, what animal, which adult animal goes with our puppy? Quite obvious, they look the same, it's just a little bigger. Were you able to spot that it was our dog here? So a puppy is the offspring of a dog. It's a baby dog. Okay, now let's go for our baby penguin in the middle. There he is. Now, do you know what a baby penguin's called? Baby penguin is called a penguin chick. Okay, so what adult animal does our penguin chick match up with? Yes, fantastic. It matches up with our penguin. Now it looks quite similar, doesn't it? It's just got a little bigger. Okay, so we've matched up our puppy with our dog and our penguin chick with our penguin. Let's try the lion, the baby lion. Can you see it? Let me circle it. There it is in purple. Now, do you know what a baby lion is called? Yes, it's called a lion cub. So what does our lion cub, which adult animal does our lion cub match up with? Yes, fantastic. It matches up with our lion. Now, it's slightly bigger, isn't it? And it's grown a mane when it gets older. So an adult lion has a mane, but a lion cub hasn't yet grown its mane, has it? So a lion cub is the offspring of a lion. Now, what about the hedgehog? So I've matched them up for you. This is a baby hedgehog. Okay, do you know what a baby hedgehog is called? Yes, a baby hedgehog is called a hedgehog urchin. Okay, and as you can see, I've matched them up for you. It goes with the adult animal, the hedgehog. Now, they don't look very dissimilar, do they? They look quite similar, but they've just got bigger in the adult animal. Okay, so we've got our hedgehog urchin, which is the offspring of a hedgehog. And finally, do you know what this is? Might be hard to tell in this picture. I found it hard to tell what it was. Yes, it's a caterpillar. Now, we've only got one adult animal left, which means that a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. So a caterpillar is the offspring of a butterfly. Well done if you were able to spot all of those matches. I'm very impressed. Now, it's now your turn, okay? You've got your independent worksheet now, and it's called Year 2 Science 26th of January, Resource 2. Now, you again have some pictures of some animals, and you need to match them up. So the baby animal, the offspring, to the adult animal. So you stick them next to each other on the worksheet. And then underneath the pictures, you need to write what the baby animal is called and what the adult animal is called. Okay, now if you can't cut them out and stick them in, you can draw a picture of each of the animals. So the baby animal and then the adult animal. And then you can write what they're called. Okay, so that is your first task. Now, if you'd like another task, I've also included this, which is Year 2 Science, 26th of January, Resource 3. And it's some picture cards, okay? So I thought it might be a bit of fun if we can cut up all the different animals and turn them over and play a game of matching, okay? So where you turn 2 over and you check, is it the baby animal that matches with the adult animal? If it's not, then you turn them over again. But if it is, you get to keep the cards, okay? So if you'd like to do that, then you can. And if you'd like to go even further, maybe you could find some other baby animals and their adult animal and add those to the cards. So draw another card and then make it harder for yourself. Okay, now before you go and do those tasks for me, I have got some questions. Now, I'd like you to write the answers to these questions down and send them in with your other work when you send it to the office so I can see how you've got on. So you need to write a definition for the following words, because remember I said at the beginning, by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to tell me what these 3 words mean. We've got extinct, offspring, and survive. So if you could as well write your definition for those words, that'd be excellent. So you've got your Year 2 Science, 26th of January, Resource 2, which is where you have to match the baby animal with the adult animal and write what they are underneath. Then you've got your optional activity, which is Year 2 Science, 26th of January, Resource 3, the matching game. And then I'd also like you to do this plenary, so write a definition for these 3 words. Okay, fantastic, Year 2. Well, I'm looking forward to learning more about growth and survival in our next science lesson. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.